Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about transformational leadership. Leadership is unlocking people's potential to become better. Growth and change are an integral part of any organization. But with the help of transformational leadership, a leader can inspire his team members to adopt change by encouraging an organizational culture of accountability, workplace autonomy, and ownership. So the question is, what is transformational leadership? Transformational leadership is one of the leadership styles where the leader inspires, encourages, and motivates his team members to create and innovate such a change that would help to grow and build the future success of the organization. There were and are various examples of transformational leaders across the world. Number 1. Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs is one of the most iconic names in transformational leadership that the world knows about. His enthusiasm for perfection, clearness, and sophistication helped to drive his corporation Apple Inc. He constantly challenged all his employees to think beyond the perspective of a common man and create unique products. Number 2. Mahatma Gandhi. His name is another big name in the list of transformational leaders around the world. He provided the Indian freedom movement with the sense of direction and purpose to go ahead. His charismatic personality was able to bring a change in each citizen of India and make their contribution count. Number 3. Barack Obama. Being the first ever black president of the United States of America, Barack Obama was greatly popular as a human leader. He is hugely respected all over the world and is known for encouraging his staff to be open and present their ideas without any limits. For you to be a good transformational leader in VUCA world, there are 10 key points to remember and follow. Number 1. Explore. Being a transformational leader, you should be able to explore the pillars of resiliency and learn to exchange the tools that are needed to build individual and team resilience. Number 2. Gain awareness. You should gain awareness about the required inner capacities of your team members to achieve the desired goal, so you can lead the change. Not only this, but you should also gain inner self-awareness by achieving introspection. Number 3. Know the external changes. As a transformational leader, you should know about the external change practices that are needed to navigate those changes in the dynamic business environment of the VUCA world. Number 4. Deepen your understanding. You should deepen your understanding of emergent modifications as the most flourishing change approach in the complex as well as local settings. Moreover, you should also reflect on how to apply that emergent change in your team and its goal. Number 5. Obtain insight. To be a successful transformational leader in VUCA world, you should collect insights into the forces of preventing changes that are hidden in nature and ways for setting the appropriate conditions for the team to engage. Number 6. Experiment with situations. You should simulate and experiment with situations that you come in so that you can explore how those situations may play out and how you may react to them in the future. Number 7. Promote flexibility. Promote flexibility, agility, and adaptability amongst your team by planning. Moreover, you should build a contingent time and be prepared to modify plans as the circumstances change. Number 8. Build a righteous team. Hire such people who can thrive in the VUCA environment and build your team with them. Make sure that they are collaborative and comfortable with ambiguity and possess complex thinking skills. Number 9. Don't dictate. As a transformational leader, always try to lead, but not dictate or control your team. This will demotivate your employees and they won't be able to exhibit their best skills. Thus, develop a collaborative environment for working with your team. Number 10. Review and evaluate. Lastly, you should always review and evaluate your and your team's performance. For this, you should consider what you did good, what came in your way as a surprise, and what you can do differently for the next time. At the end, the key points for you to take away are: transformational leadership can be highly effective if it is used properly. Thus, make sure you are well aware of the necessities of this leadership style. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel to learn more and grow more.